Hey guys, just want to do a quick update on the 66 ecoboost Mustang. So I cut out the old trunk support brace, trunk support bracket, whatever it's called, this bit here that runs across the back of the car the other day, and I fitted up the new one that I had sitting here. This is one of those parts that came along with the 64.5 Mustang that I've got in the workshop as well. So there's a bundle of parts that came along with it, so I decided to use it to do this repair. There's a couple of issues with it though. It's a very similar issue to the tail light panel. So this one's the original one, but I also had a replacement tail light panel that came with a bunch. The problem is it just doesn't quite fit properly. If I come around here, this is the benefit of not having a rear quarter now. There's two main issues with it. The first issue is you can kind of see, we see here, it's not quite high enough. This panel here should come up and sit level with the chassis rail, but as you can see, it's about quarter of an inch too low. And I think that's partly because the little dip in here is not deep enough, and partly because this panel's probably just not high enough. The other problem is, it's a bit hard to see from here, but it's too wide. It's about, I'd probably say it's quarter of an inch wider than the original panel. So in general, it just doesn't fit properly. Now I've had a look around at all the usual suppliers for these parts: CJ Pony, Kentucky Mustang, John's Mustang, NPD, Mustangs ETC. It doesn't seem like this particular panel's available from anyone anymore. So it doesn't look like it's going to be an issue going forward. But what I've done is I've ordered a replacement panel, I think from Kentucky Mustang. And looking at the pictures, those two key issues, so that the width of this bit and the height of it are fixed on the replacement panel. So that's been ordered and hopefully coming in the next couple of days, and this one here will go on the junk pile, and then I can get that job finished. And then get this whole floor section buttoned up again. That's it for today, just a quick one. We'll see you guys soon.